Hey everybody, here I have a new video for you. Haven't done a really nice luxury video in a while, so I decided to do another one. Right here I have one of my newer Hermes belts, the 42 millimeter H. And here I'll show you the box up front. As always, Hermes makes one of the nicest products, leather goods on the market. You kind of pay for what you get, including the packaging. Enough with the packaging. Let me show you what's inside. So of course, got my receipt. Not going to show you guys everything on the receipt, but I know everyone likes to be like, oh man, these are fake belts, blah blah blah. But there's my receipt. Not going to show you all of it. I did pay quite a bit. And this is in another currency, of course. Now, I'm going to show you what's inside the package. As always, a dust bag for your buckle. I did wear this a few times before doing the video, so it did get dinged up right there. Not dinged up, but a little bit scuffed. But other than that, nothing serious. These belts are still rather hard to obtain, especially in the right colors and the right size and leather. This is actually one of my favorite colors. I don't get to wear it too much because just because of the color, but I like the color combination a lot. Now, for this belt, because I already have the black one, as you know, I decided to go with the brown, the orange. Sorry, the orange and the brown on the back. And there's the upfront close stitching of it. And this belt is practically brand new. Haven't even worn it more than probably four times or so. But anyhow, decided to show you guys this belt up front. And I'm not sure if I showed you guys the pouch, but it's a very nice pouch. There you guys have it. Thank you for watching. This is, again, the 42 millimeter Hermes belt. It's called the Constance 2, if you guys are looking for it. Thank you. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Take care.